There goes Dad on the quad. Our whole city is out of power, and I had no idea. Even out here in the country, all these neighborhoods are out of power. Our smaller town here next to the city. But I have no idea when the power is affected because I have my generator and solar, which obviously the solar is covered with snow right now. But it's still snowing a lot. It's still dumping snow, which I thought it was just going to be rain this morning and wipe all the snow out, and I was kind of sad, but I'm glad I got up, even though I was really tired and didn't sleep good. I got up and had oatmeal, and I'm gonna go mess around on the quad and go visit my parents and maybe my sister-in-law and niece. And it's still dumping snow. Oh, I just got pounded by snow from a tree, man. Some of it's melting off the trees. Whoa, whoa! Snow's kind of letting up right now a little bit. I thought it was gonna all be rain. And it's, what time is it? 10:43. Hopefully it just keeps snowing all day and into the next night. I drove my car around here and it actually did really good. I was surprised. I hit the gas and hit the brakes and tested everything. Drove around. And it has all-wheel drive. I don't have snow tires though. Usually I run snow tires all year round on my vehicles, but this newer SUV I haven't done that yet. So out my driveway, once you get way past the trees over there, it's quite a steep end of my driveway up to the main neighborhood driveway. I don't know if I can make it out the driveway with these tires. Luckily I don't have to go anywhere right now. But next year I'll get some snow tires and run them all year long. There's quite a bit on the roof. My aunt and uncle and friends in California, in Trinity County, I think, and Shasta County got tons of snow, but in Trinity County I think they got 2.5 to 3 feet of snow last night. It's pretty crazy. And the phone lines are down here, all the power's out, like I said, for the whole city, or for our whole county in Southern Oregon. I'm sure people are freaking out. I'm so glad I live out here. Beanie's in there all cozied up. It's nice and warm from the propane heater inside. Man, the snow's kind of dying off a little bit. Bye-bye. Lily! Get it, Lily, get it! Get it, Lily, get it! Lily, get it! Get it! Get it, Lily, get it! I was doing donuts in the fields. It was really slick. Oh, Lily, get it, Lily, get it! Get it, Lily, get it! Oh, Lily. It's raining now. It'll switch back to snow though later. Hopefully late afternoon and all evening. Lily. Oh, Lily, you want some snow? Oh, Lily, get it, Lily, get it! Oh, Lily. Lily, you want some snow? Get it, Lily. Oh, Lily. Go on, Lily, come on. Come on. Lily, come. Lily. Lily. Ready? Go. Oh, Lily. Get it, Lily, get it. Oh, Lily. You want some snow? Get it. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily. You're so cute. Lily, that was a big one. Oh, you okay? Lily, you okay? I said, I don't know what I said. Oh, that it's gonna hopefully switch back to snow this afternoon and evening, and it shows precipitation all night and like snow tonight, so hopefully it'll snow all night. And man, the power was out from like Douglas County to Crescent City, and all of our county, and on and off to the whole town. Oh, Lily. Lily. Yeah. What? I know. Till it goes back off again. Oh, Lily. Lily, I'm messing up the path. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily. Oh, Lily, you're so cute. I'll go get you. I'll go get you. Ah, Lily. Lily. I'm gonna get you. You better go get a toy. Go search, go get a toy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, Lily. I'm gonna get Lily. Oh, she's got energy. Oh, she's hyper. I'm gonna get Lily. I'm gonna get Lily. I'm gonna get. Ooh, you found your squeak ball. Lily, is it making any sounds anymore? Oh, I heard something. Lily! Yeah, yeah. That one's hard to get, huh? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh, Lily. I love you, Lily. Look at this. But it's raining. But before it switches back. I love you, Lily. Say bye. Lily. Say bye. Beanie, it just doesn't stop, does it? What are you doing? Get down. Beanie, get down. Beanie, what are you doing? Hi, honey. Hi. Beanie, it just keeps coming down. This is amazing. Beanie. Oh, Beanie. Where you going? Where you going? So funny. Man, it's back to rain now. Hopefully it'll be snow all night long again. I didn't sleep good last night. I just took a nap and I was out like totally cold, out cold for like 3 hours. And it was snowing, I think, when I went to sleep, but woke up and it's raining. Let's hope tonight brings more snow. Because this rain is just making the snow go away so quick. Beanie, let's go back inside. Let's go back inside, Beanie. Come on, Beanie. Come on, Beanie. Come on, Beanie. Oh, there you are. Hi, honey. You ready to go back inside? You want to go inside or hang out outside? Is it too cold? Okay. Bye-bye.